Good morning everyone. Today we will start new chapter sound. The world around us is full of different sound. Every day we hear sounds from various sources. For example, we hear sound of morning alarm, church bell, school bell, horn of car, barking of dog, music from different instruments, etc. Although we do not see sound coming to us, but sound reaches us our ear in a form of wave form due to the vibration of the particle of the medium. Or we can say sound is a form of energy that produces the sensation of hearing in our ear. Sources of sound. Sound is produced when a body vibrates, means every vibrating body is a source of sound. Vibration means to and fro motion of an object or particles. Experiment demonstrate that fact is the metal ruler start to vibrate and begin to produce a sound. When the vibration stop, no sound is heard. Means sound is produced due to the vibration of the vibrating ruler. The human voice. The human voice is also an important source of sound. The voice box that is responsible for the production of human voice is located in the throat. It is also known as the larynx. The larynx has two folds called the vocal cords. When air is expelled from the lungs through the slit formed by the vocal cords begin to vibrate and produce sound. In this way, we hear the sound. Now, question here arises that how is sound is travels? Children, we are all surrounded by atmosphere like air. When a body vibrates, it causes the disturbance in the surrounding medium. This disturbance travels through the medium in the form of sound wave and reaches the ear of the listener. The listener then recognizes it a sound. When an object vibrates in air, it vibrates the air around it and produces sound waves. Now, what is the wave? A wave is a disturbance produced in a medium that carries energy from one part of the molecule to the another part of the medium without the transfer of matter. Means particles or molecule of medium vibrate in own position. Okay, only energy transfer from one molecule to another. Okay, children, in this manner the vibration travel in a wave like pattern in all directions. Sound wave also travel in the similar manner. Okay, however, vibration of particle in a medium can be in the same direction or in a perpendicular direction to the direction of the propagation of the wave. Children, on the basis of the relative direction of the propagation of wave and the displacement of particle of the medium, wave are classified in two groups. First one, longitudinal waves. Second one, transverse wave. First one, longitudinal wave. In longitudinal wave, the wave in which particles of medium vibrate to and fro means आगे पीछे इधर उधर in the same direction in which the wave is moving, okay, is known as the longitudinal wave. Second one, transverse wave. In this, the wave in which particle of the medium vibrate up and down, that is perpendicular to the direction of the which the wave is moving, is known as the transverse wave. In transverse wave, the particle of the medium move up and down. Okay, although longitudinal wave, the particle of the medium move to and fro means आगे पीछे. Now next topic is sound as a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave means the medium particle of to vibrate to and fro in the same direction in which the wave is moving. When a vibrating body moves outwards, it increases pressure on the molecule of the medium surrounding it. Means molecules of air come to come close to each other, and this position is known as the situation is known as the compression. Okay, now when the vibrating body move inwards, the pressure of the molecule gets reduced, so the gaps between the molecule increase, causing them the spread out. This is known as the rarefaction. Okay, so we can say the sound wave travel through the medium, a series of compression and rarefaction is formed between the particles of medium due to the vibration of these particles in a direction parallel to the direction in which the sound travels. This shows that the sound waves are longitudinal in nature. Page number 75, given the activity first, to show that sound is produced by a vibrating body. You can try at home yourself. Okay, thank you children.